Hi friends from all over the world. Hello, I'm from a Chinese brand called Wood and Nature. We have 20 years of experience in professionally manufacturing high-end wooden house and sunrooms. Today I would like to introduce you to a very perfect sunroom product which fully adopts German technology. It has a fashionable and exquisite appearance, a stable and durable structure, and is a super energy-saving house made of solid wood and aluminum alloy. It is warm in winter and cool in summer, healthy and comfortable. If you like it, please contact me.